Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm Ili and today I'm gonna show you how I did this strawberry lemonade makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so I already have my eye primer on and we will start with the Thirsty Jeffree Star palette, and I'm taking this yellow shade right here, Quench. Taking it on a flat compact brush and then gently press it on the lip. I'm taking a small blending brush and blend the yellow out. After, I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette and combining these two shades right here with this little compact brush. Then I'm just going to blend it out with a blending brush. It should be an empty blending brush, mine is empty, but I used it on the other eye and that's why it's pink right now. Blend it with yellow as well. I use again a compact brush, again the same colors, just to make the colors stronger. And then again blend. I'm taking a liner brush, dipping it into this red right here, and apply it like a normal liner. Again blend it out. I like to add again some yellow because it started to fade away and I want it to be more vibrant. So. Then I'm taking the small blending brush that I first used on the yellow and blend the colors together. With a small brush, I'm going to take these two colors that I used here and put it on the lower lash line. Then I'm taking a liner brush with the yellow and put it on the other half of the lower lash line. With a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take this shade right here from the Thirsty palette. Blend the eye all over again. Then I'm taking a round little brush, wet it with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the shade Gold. And then taking the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter, take the brush there and apply it in the inner corner. I'm going to go over a little bit on the color too, dragging it a little up as well. And on the brow bone. Then just put a black pencil on your waterline. I use the Raw Lash Mascara for my lashes. After I put on the mascara, I'm going to put on the lash. Okay, so that was it for the eyes. I already have my foundation, contour, blush on. The only thing that I'm gonna do is my highlighter. So I'm taking again the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife highlighter and a big highlighter brush. After the highlighter, I'm going to do my lips using the Kylie Jenner Dazzled Lip Liner and the Jeffree Star Soft Serve Velour Liquid Lipstick. I'm going to fully fill in my lips with this lip liner and put a little bit of the liquid lipstick in the middle of your lips. Blend it out with your finger. Then I'm taking again my MAC Fix Plus Gold Setting Spray and set my face with it. Okay, so that's it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my strawberry lemonade makeup tutorial. Don't forget to write in the comments what you want to see next from me, and I see you every Thursday here on my channel. Bye guys!